Welcome to this video, on the need for financial markets. Every country has a market where claims on real assets are traded. Such markets are called financial or investment markets. And their healthy functioning plays a critical role in the economic well-being of a country. They act as an intermediary between investors, who have capital, and businesses who seek capital. That is, it helps governments to raise the capital required to implement various projects. Similarly, it also allows businesses to raise the money required to expand their operations. In other words, financial markets provide business and governmental entities access to capital. Additionally, financial markets provide opportunities to become investors. Usually, retail individuals choose to keep their money idle by depositing it in bank accounts. Rather than parking money in a bank, individuals can choose to invest money in the financial markets and become investors, which may not be possible otherwise. As the company in which money is invested grows, the investment appreciates, and as a result, even individuals can enjoy capital appreciation in the long term by becoming investors. Any major financial market usually has thousands of securities available for trading. As a result, financial markets create indicators like a stock index, which changes according to the performance of companies that constitute it. Analysts track the index to get an idea about the performance of the wider economy. In essence, financial markets are usually a leading indicator of the fluctuations in the economy and act as a bellwether. Financial markets provide an avenue for managing risk to producers and commercial firms in the economy. For example, if a wheat farmer expects the price of her cultivation to go down in the near future, she can use derivative products such as wheat forwards traded in the financial markets to lock the current price. In this manner, she could manage her price risk, which would not be possible otherwise. That's all for this video. In this video, you learned various reasons, so as to why we need financial markets.